Here I am again. It's me, no other than Grace Penny. Got your service. We are on the way going back home. We came from Bible singing tonight, but look at the weather, guys. It's so heavy rain. I can't see at all the clouds, but it's only, actually it's 7 o'clock 20 p.m. already. It's so raining. Has to be careful, baby. Slow down. Even me, I can't see at all. Did you turn on your light, baby?
Yes, I have lights on. I'm fine.
Like I said, today is third day here in Missouri, Clinton, Lowry City. It's always raining in the whole day, but yesterday, last night, very heavy, and today again, look at that, guys. Oh my God, the cloud. I'm scared. Might be there's a tornado somewhere around the town here. It's look like, oh, very watery this month here in Lowry, Clinton, Missouri. So medyo humupa-hupa on this side. But look at that, guys. So again, nakikita ninyo, guys, ang cloud. Meron niyang tornado might be somewhere. But I never received the warning. It's look like we don't have a tornado, because here, if there is a tornado, severe weather, it's gonna be I send it the alarm, the phone. So I never received this time. Hopefully don't have severe tornadoes or whatever. Anyway guys, so thank you so much for watching, and we are on the way now to the house. So I'm praying we are going home safe today. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and don't forget to follow my page, watch, click, and heart, share my video, guys, and see you later for my next update of my daily videos. Bye bye. See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. Mwah mwah. Choo choo.